Richard Ratke here from Chilliwack, BC, Canada. Today I'm going to do a short video with more information about Premier Marketing Academy. I personally welcome and congratulate you for showing an interest in Premier Marketing because you were looking for a simple and proven system. Well, I want to assure you that Premier Marketing is a proven program, but I see you haven't joined any one of the levels yet. Do you mind telling me why you haven't joined any one of the levels yet? Because Premier Marketing is exploding right now. So watch the video again and check all the information so you can see what a great opportunity that this really is. There are numerous people joining every day, so I want to encourage you to join one of the levels immediately. You have a choice of 4 levels, so one of the levels should be just right for you, because that's the only way you're going to be able to make a lot of money. You probably noticed that from the testimonial videos. If you didn't listen to them before, be sure to listen to them now so you can stop struggling and stop worrying. Even newbies are succeeding with Premier Marketing, because after you join, you'll get all the marketing resources right in your back office with a lot of training videos, swipe help files, and banners. You'll also be able to download and copy the display ads to use to promote your link. Thank you for listening to me today, and I hope you have a great day. Please give my video a like.